Hi, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to check the description to this video. I have links to some of my popular videos, a link to my Amazon account for a lot of things that you all ask about. Don't forget I have a bunch of playlists on the homepage of this channel. Thank you. Hey there. Y'all see me beating my knife with a hammer all the time. It hasn't broken yet. It's still intact, but I went ahead and ordered another new one. It's not an expensive one, trust me. But I got this. It's just going to stay in a box somewhere waiting on me to break the other one because we know it's going to happen. You know, when you hit a metal with metal, eventually it's going to break. So this will just be here for it. My hair is looking rough, but it's because I just got back from the Red Hat ladies. So that's going to be in the background. The thing is, I got something else, and I didn't order something else. So let's see what this something else is. With my handy dandy thingy. I'm going to cut my hand. I'm going to cut myself one of these days. All right, come on, fella. All right, let's see. Oh, there's a card. There's a card. That's good. I like to know who it's from. Okay, let's see which one it is. Okay, no, and okay. It says, I found that this flavor went very well with chocolate electrolytes. Love your videos from Joanna Leisure. Well, that's a big old box. That's a heavy box. I use these every day. I use Torani every day. Every stinking day. And this is going to go, it's going to go good with the chocolate electrolytes. Oh, shut your face. S'mores. 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 We don't have s'mores where I'm from. S'mores. We don't have s'mores. I don't even know what to do right now. I don't know where. I need to put the box down. Put the box down. I kind of got to talk myself through this. Give me a second. Put the box down, Terry. Set it over there. Oh, man. I'm opening it up right now. And we're going to have it in our coffee in the morning. Oh, my goodness. I just want to cry. I haven't had s'mores nothing in years and years and years. Let's see if it's open, or do I have to like peel? Yep, I got to peel the little dealie. Well, you know what? We're going to lick the dealie. We're going to lick the dealie. We'll see how it tastes. I have not had s'mores anything. Well, them dogs are just walking by and knocking y'all around, ain't they? Shut your mouth. I can drink that. That is going to be so good with my coffee. I'm setting it right here. I know you can't see it. Well, yeah, you can see it. I'm setting it right up front because that's what we're going to use in the morning. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Now I'm going to push pause. I'm going to stick this up here, and then I will, we'll get to the food. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. That's still on my tongue, and that tastes good. Thank you. I'll put you up right here, Joanna. Right there. Right here. So whenever I'm showing my videos, you can see there's your name. So thank you so much. All right. Let's get our food ready. So to get things started, I have 25. Well, no, this was 20. Well, now that ain't right. It was 27 grams of avocado. It's the frozen avocado. I'm going to add some guacamole and more. Don't get too carried away there. Okay, so I have this for breakfast in the mornings. Along with, I have 2 eggs. I'm going to plop in one of these wedges of Laughing Cow cheese. Laughing Cow cheese, for whatever reason, only has 25 calories. I don't do a lot of cheese. I just do a little bit at breakfast, sometimes at lunch, sometimes at supper. Listen, yeah, that's just a little bit. Listen to me. Anyway, I don't do a whole lot of cheese. And then we're going to also, I enjoyed that salsa this morning So we're going to add some more of this salsa. Might fin, I don't know. We'll see how many grams it is. 30 grams is a serving. Well, there's 33. All right. So that will be my breakfast. Is going to be the eggs, cheese, and salsa, along with the avocado. That'll be my breakfast. So for lunch, let's go on and start with the meat. Do I want to microwave that stuff? No, I do not. Okay. Well, but I do need to season the meat. We're going with the Southwestern flavor. I'm going to put a little bit of this guacamole and more on it, just a little. Then we're going to add some mild Southwest ranch. It's actually by the same Mateo, the salsa that I have. Then we're going to have a little bit of mild fajita seasoning. Okay. Ooh, let's put a little tahini in there just for some fun. All right, now, so that's the meat. So I'll microwave that at work. But then I need a little bowl for the other stuff. Let's see. All right, so we'll use this one. Oop, but I'm gonna need a lid. So let's zero this out. We're gonna do I'm mixing salsas because this is the end of this one. But that's, yeah, 19 grams of that one. The other salsa I have this is the one I bought at the same time. So it's the same, 30 grams. So let me get a spoon out. All right, I got to pause because I have to open this jar right behind you. Hang on. Okay, so I just need a little bit of this. Well, okay, it's a little more. It's a little more than a serving, but I'll be all right. It won't kill me. We're also going to add some of these roasted red bell pepper strips. I'm going to add this to the meat when the meat's cooked. Now that spoon is too big to fit down in there. So I don't want to get too carried away because it's a small container. So I can't let big eyes, Terry, control what I'm going to put in there. And I'll put in some of these red pickled onions. All right, so that's what we're going to eat at lunch. Oh. Also have a cheese wedge. I know. Remember a while ago when I said, I don't eat a lot of dairy. So I have a cheese wedge at breakfast and a cheese wedge at lunch. So let's get that together. So I want the cheese in there because I want it to melt. Now this can go in here. So that goes together. There's that and that. The only thing left is my salad. I'm going to add in some more of the GU stuff to build up my dressing. You can watch me if you want to, or you can fast forward. I'm going to add some of this GU's honey mustard. I need to go to right about there. I'm going to add in a little bit of the GU's pineapple ginger. Like I said, I need to go right about there so then I can add water to the rest of it. And we're going to add a little bit of this sesame ginger of the Walden Farms. Okay. So now we're going to top it off with water. Hold on. Now, I give it a little gentle squeeze before I shake it. Because otherwise, whenever I take my finger off, it shoots out. But by doing it with my finger on it with just a little bit of that air, it doesn't shoot out. All right. There we go. So now that's going to be our dressing for now. I just mix up stuff. Y'all know I got the gum and everything. Everything's got to be, nothing can be just simple. I can't just have a simple something. Although I did with the Walden Farms and Poppy Seed, or the Skinny Girl. But, sometimes I like the gum. And that's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to gum, y'all. I'm going to gum. pretty stinking excited. This is going to be so delicious. Oh my gosh. All right. Focus, Terry. Oh, salad. Yeah, that's what I was going to do. Alrighty, I'll take off my little paper towel. That, y'all, and your paper towel idea, you people are genius. I swear to you, you people just mean so much to me. You do, you do. You're geniuses. So we're going to add some of our Greek seasoning, because we always do. We're going to add a little bit of everything bagel. A little bit. I love the roasted garlic. I need to go to TJ Maxx and get some more. And, nope, I'm going to add, to go with the Southwestern flavor, I'm going to add some guacamole and more to my salad. Now, kind of shake it up a little bit. All right, we're going to make sure it's zeroed. We're going to add a few of our pickled cucumbers and whatever else is down in here. There's lots of onion and cucumbers, and there's some peppers down in there too. There's still some green beans down in there whenever I added the green beans. I don't know if y'all remember that. I added some green beans to it. Now I'm going to do a couple scoops of the liquid. It just really gives it good flavor. There we go. Alrighty. Put my lid on, and then let's zero it out and we'll get our dressing on here. This may be disgusting, but I'll eat it anyway. All right, we want 60 grams of dressing, 60, because then it will be 30 grams of the actual product. All right, there we go. Here we go with that. Okay, now, let's pack our lunchbox. This is the lunchbox I was saying whenever I go to the work trips, the conferences, I'll have my meat up in my hotel room, and then I will bring this lunchbox down with me probably, because I don't want to carry burgers around. Although I, wouldn't put it past me. Where'd my spoon go? Did I put it in there already? Y'all, yep, I hear it. Okay. And let's see, we're going to do an apple. I'm going to take this. I've got 2 more of these LaCroix left that my coworker brought me. No, I'm not going to take it because I'm trying to not drink anything that's highly flavored. These do not count. I am adding these to my coffee, so don't get it mixed up, y'all. I'm not adding the squirties to them here, and I'm just seeing how. And I did it. No gum. No squirty today. We're going to see how long I can go. We'll see. We'll see. No promises. All right, I'll put on my stuff. I'll see you in the morning for breakfast. Hey, you were right, Joanna. That's good in my coffee. Good tip. Yeah. Yep. Thumbs up. Thank you. Y'all, I done finished my my avocado, and sorry, I forgot to record it. And now I got my eggs. Hot but good. See you at lunchtime. I still got my s'mores coffee. Okay, bye. Hello, it's lunchtime. I've already microwaved my ground beef and cheese. So now let's add the salsa and onions and peppers to it. So I'm kind of off screen here, but here. Let me scrape it out here. This is just a way to show that, you don't have to add cabbage to it every time. Like, usually, lots of times when I make it, I put in that big old honkin' thing. And this time, I'm going to keep my salad as a regular salad. But I could have put my salad in a big container. And from there, I could have added this ground beef like I've done in the past. But this time, I'll just keep it as a salad and a Southwestern bowl. So let's see how this tastes. Now I've got to taste the salad. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's good. Still got my bowl, my salad, my apple. I'm doing my walk, and that's what I get to see on my walk at work. A little, what you call them, little bobcat. Anyway, so I'd walk 10 minutes up to the stop sign and 10 minutes back. I know y'all say the camera bounces, so I'm not going to keep recording. But anyway, look at this tall grass over here. Big old snake or coyote might jump out and eat me. You might say, nom, nom, nom. Okay, bye. Supper tonight is this beef roast and some green beans. So I'm going to get these microwaved and I'll be back. We'll figure out how we're going to season our steak, our beef roast. Hey, so now that we're kind of nearing the end of day 2 of me not chewing gum and not using the Mio and not using any fruity flavored drinks, I feel like maybe my mouth is improving. I noticed, and as I'm looking back, and you know, I may go back to it, and then you all can just be like, Terri. But anyway, I noticed my mouth is not as inflamed and feeling as bad as it did. So, and if you remember, whenever I did carnivore, I kept complaining about my mouth and about keto mouth, and well, I think this might have had something to do with it. My mouth might have been detoxing from the gum, and I think I was using the Mio. I don't remember, but anyway, so that might have had something to do with it. But I do notice that right now, you know, my mouth is starting to feel a little less inflamed. So we're going to try it tomorrow for day 3 and see what happens. So, all right, let's see what we got for supper. We have our steak, well, our chuck roast, sorry, and green beans and some fruit. I'm going to put some of my mama's bear rub. Barbecue seasoning. And I'm just taking the lid off because, you know, I ain't got time to be fighting something that ain't trying to let me have something. There we go. Have a little of that. Oh, let's mix in a little bit of this Kinder's wood fire garlic. Let's mix in a little of that. And we'll call it quits. Now, let's see what we think. Hang on. This is a bowl of very fatty meat. Fogging up my glasses. Steaming. That's the word. Steaming up my glasses. Put a handful of tomatoes. 1, 2, 3, 6 tomatoes. So we'll put that in there. And then my green beans with some ham and rutabaga. See what you think about that. Oh, I'm going to burn myself on that too. That's good, but I am going to burn myself, so I ain't taking another bite of that. And then my fruit. Notice it's less. It's less. I weighed it out. So, okay. Bye. See you next time. I'll see you next time on the same channel, same network. Bye. By the way, if any of you have TikTok, one of my coworkers asked me to sing the chicken wing song. I'm like, and then one of the other ones like, what's that? I'm like, chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken and macaroni, chilling with my homies. That's a thing on TikTok. Well, it was. It's like very, very 8 or 9 months ago. But anyway, so if you're on TikTok and you heard that, you'll know what that song is. Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken and macaroni, chilling with my homies. Okay, bye.